Hello, welcome back in my channel with this 11 plus series. Before you watch this video, I suggest you to do the paper on your own. Download it, it's free, then work on it for only about 10 minutes. When you're ready, let's compare your answers with mine. Here we go! Okay, this is the second test about a number. Let's start with the first question. What is the digit of 6 worth in this number? Circle the answer. 6 is here in the middle. In this number, we have 369. So we say 6 as 60 and then 9. That means it's tens. While 9 is units. And 3, because we call it 369. So it's 300. So 3 is hundreds. Then yes, 6 is 6 of tens. This one. What about the second question? Write the missing number in this sequence. So we have -3, -1, and then 1. Because it's a sequence, so there must be a pattern to make this sequence. From -3 to -1, that means we add 2 going forward. And then from -1 to +1, it is by adding 2 again. So now you can guess that if we add 2 more, you will have 3. And let's have a check, just a little check. 3 add 2, it is 5. Yes, it's correct. So you can see the sequence. Here must be 3. Now what about third question? Circle the group that only contains odd numbers. Now we are asked about odd numbers. You remember odd numbers? So if we divide by 2, odd numbers doesn't give you a whole number. Like 37, it's odd number. 52, no, it's not an odd number, it's even number. So we cross this out. We can't take A. Let's check option B then. 57, yes, it is an odd number. 29, 61, everything is odd number, so we got our answer. This is it. But if you want to check the other options, let's go with me. It's 28, it is even number, so we cross this out. 59, it's odd, this one is odd, but this one is even and even, so we cross this out. We got our answer. That's it. Carry on with question 4. Add together 36, 21, and 44. Do you know how to add together with a long addition? So it's 36, 21, 44. When you make this long addition, please be careful. The ones should go together with the ones in one column, straight column like this. And these are the tens. The tens go together in one column, so you will mix them up. Now we work with the ones first. It's 6, add 1, it's 7. And then 7, add 4, you got 11. You put 1 here as the ones. You put a 10 here, 1 in the tens. So you have 1, and then add 3, you got 4. Add 2, you got 6. Add 4, you get 10. 101. That's the answer. And now question number 5. Is 52 multiple of 5? What do you think? If 52 is multiple of 5, then we can divide 52 by 5 and we get a whole number. Let's check it out. Can we divide 52 by 5? Let's use this method. I take 5, first number here. 5, then divide by 5, I get 1. Now multiply this 1 and 5, we get 5. Put this under this 5, and then let's subtract. Here is 2 and here is nothing. Nothing means 0. So 2 take away 0, you get 2. And 5 take away 5, it's 0, get nothing. We don't need to write anything. And now 2 divided by 5, no, you can't have any whole number. So you got 0. And then you have remainder. Remainder is 2. Let's write it like this. 10 remainder 2. Because we have the remainder here, that means it's not a whole number. So 52 is not a multiple of 5. The answer is no. Is there another way to answer these questions? Yes, it is, intuitively. So if we see 52, this number, is it multiple of 5? You'll suddenly remember the 5 timetables. It has 50 on it. And after 50, there will be 55 and then you add 5 more, you get 60, and so on and so forth. So 52 is here between 50 and 55. So obviously 52 is not in the timetables of 5, so 52 is not a multiple of 5. So that's it. Would that be easier for you? Then go ahead, choose whatever method you like, and good luck. Question 6 is from the next page. Find the remainder of this. 62 divided by 6, you got 10. And then you have remainder. What is the remainder? If you're familiar with the 6 timetables, you'll know that 60 is multiple of 6. So after 60 should be 66. But then you don't have 66. It's only 62. So 2 will be remainder. This will be here. Go straight to question 7. A pack of pencils cost 25p. Isaac decides to buy 2 packs. How much should he pay? Say one pack is 25p, so he will pay 25p and then another 25p because he's buying 2 packs. So 25 and 25 will be 50p. So it's as easy as that, 50p. Let's see question 8. Circle the letter that gives correct answers to all these multiplication facts. Okay, we have 2 times 2, 4 times 4, 6 times 6, and 8 times 8. If you're familiar with the square numbers, this will make square numbers. Everything will make square numbers. And you'll see 2 times 2, it's 4. So it's probably this one, or maybe this one. So we cross this out, and we cross this out. 4 times 4 is 16. This is not 16, so we cross this out. And we got this one. So we got the answer. Let's see what is number 9. Write a fraction that is equal to a half. Another fraction equal to a half is, you can choose either 2/4 or 3/6. Oh wait, how did I make it? I make this by timesing this fraction with the same number at the top and at the bottom. If I times a half with 2/2, then I'll get 2/4. This is it. But if I take a half times it with 3/3, that will give me 3/6. And this is it. So every time you multiply a fraction with the same number at the top and at the bottom, you're timesing it with 1. It's actually 1, and it's actually also 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is also 1. So you'll get another fraction, but it still has the same value as the first fraction, so they're equal. So you can take either this one or this one. Let's take the easiest one, 2/4. Carry on with question 10. This is the last question. Write 2 decimal numbers between 2.1 and 2.7. Between, so it must be larger than this one, but less than this one. So if we have a number line, 2.1 is here, 2.7 is here. You get many numbers here actually. You can take just 2.2, 2.3, or whatever, 2.5, anything between 2.1 and 2.7. So let's take 2.2 and then 2.3. Okay, we are done with this 10 minutes tryout. Why don't you put this new score on your chart? Any question, any feedback, please let me know in the comment field below. And help yourself with more practice papers, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!